Automatic falafel molding machines. RF automatic molding machines. Excellent workmanship. Well-designed features. World-class standard Teflon cylinder. Fully steel piston. Having perforated falafel, nuggets, cutlets, so on so forth. Funnel has 8 to 10 kilograms of standard capacity. RN automatic molding with rail. Having a folding rail in order to transfer with ease. Equipped with produced product counting meters. Equipped with Falafel's number set system. Equipped with automatic run system in the device. Equipped with a rail to keep machine away from the heat source. Equipped with the wheels and fixed stands. Wheeled stand for situation that the device tries to feed more than one fryer. Equipped with weight balancing plates. Engineering design with patent codes A2438. With a 1-year warranty and 10 years of after-sale services. Having CE certifications. Follow us on social media. www.nsimco.com